Let's see, Joe, pink string and a bag of flour. You got me concerned here.
Yeah, this looks more suspicious than it actually is. This is a great trick for laying out either a patio or a sidewalk or any outdoor area where you have to dig out and you want a perfectly straight line to dig along. So it's just a series of stakes and a really tight string, and then you sprinkle flour right along the string so it gives you an outline of where to dig, exactly where to dig your trench.
Well, I tell you, when we've used strings like this before, you almost always end up cutting it with a shovel or a pickaxe.
Right,
if you
or
use
knocking the stake and then the
Right.
line's out of the way. So this way, if you leave this string up just to sprinkle the flour, then you can move it.
That's a great idea.
Here's the other side of the sidewalk, which is perfectly parallel with the first string. You just sprinkle flour from a can right along, right on top of the string.
And this stuff's real cheap, isn't it?
It is just white flour and mason's line.
And what about from there on now? What are you planning on?
Well, here, we didn't want the whole sidewalk to be perfectly straight and angular. We wanted to follow the curve of this shrub. So what we're going to do is use a garden hose to mark where we need to dig.
Oh, I see. And then you just, what, just shake it right on top of it?
First you get a nice pleasing shape, whatever works, and you sprinkle it right along the hose. And you'll see when you lift up the hose,
Oh, that's great.
nice easy place to dig.